To achieve the highest quality products, PPE operates a metrology laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and technology. Metrology is the science of measurement and ensures accuracy, reliability, and consistent quality of manufactured components. The metrology team at PPE are able to perform precise measurements on complex geometries using equipment fully calibrated to ISO 17025. In this video, we shall look at one of the instruments in the PPE metrology laboratory, a CNC multisensory dimensional measuring system. This equipment is installed at PPE's UK production facility. The system is used to accurately measure the dimensions of manufactured parts such as spring seals, FS seals, packers, annulus seals, and custom components. The component to be measured is placed on the glass platen and optically scanned to locate the edges. A 10x magnification camera then inspects the surface finish. The system then uses very sensitive touch probes moving around the component to record the internal and external surface coordinates. For concave profiles, the straight stylus probe is swapped for a star stylus probe. The coordinates are sent to a connected PC that records the 3D dimensions of the component and compares these to the required specification. As a comparison, other metrology equipment uses 2D or 2.5D optical techniques to measure component dimensions. These techniques utilize a camera lens and a light source to accurately measure the outline of the component, perfect for simple shapes such as O-rings. However, more complex shapes with 3D structures and profiled surfaces are not suited to this method of dimensional measurement. Another benefit of the CNC multisensory system is automated acquisition and storage of measurement data for each component. This allows comparisons to be made with previous batch data and the opportunity to spot trends and deviances over extended time periods. PPE supplies some of the most critical components for downhole operations. Customers that demand high-quality, precision components for their most critical sealing applications can be confident that components supplied by PPE will be manufactured to their specifications and tolerances.